How to add watermark in Youcut. Want to protect your content? Let's add a watermark in Youcut and claim your work. First, open your project in Youcut. Then tap PIP to insert an image or text as your watermark. This could be your logo, brand name, or signature. Resize and drag it to the corner, usually bottom right works best. Adjust the opacity if you want it subtle by tapping the transparency option. Want it across the whole video? Stretch its duration on the timeline. For a text watermark, tap text, write your brand, customize the font and color, then drag it to position. Use a semi-transparent logo to make it visible but not distracting. What's your watermark text? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how to watermark your videos in Youcut. Protect your content in style. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.